I like it. Oh, awesome. Blair Witch Project. Adrian says they do human sacrifices
Absolutely
here.
they do. Don't you see all of the crazy hieroglyphic
Mm-hmm.
etchings into the tree?
Right. Yes. It's
Oh,
crazy.
really?
This is like,
Oh, funny.
it's definitely a satanic cult right here.
There's an elemental McDonald's toy.
Oh no, is it for real?
Yeah.
She get it for her cigarettes?
Funny. She has it. That's why I recognized it.
Oh, she's already got that one in
Please
particular.
stop taking pictures of me.
But you wanted, you asked me before I even got. Y'all, she asked me to do this before the
Right.
camera was on, but she likes to be too cool for school
Would
when I
you-
have a